Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the brake caliper in a car.
Check the mic and make sure it sounds right, boys.
Lift up the car and secure it with a jack stand. I put the tire underneath the car for extra protection. Unscrew the two bolts holding brake caliper. It's 13 mm. You also need 15 mm wrench to hold the slide pin to prevent the slide pin spinning along with the bolt. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
It's very cold wind.
Yeah. How's everything? How are you doing? How are you doing?
Very well, thank you. And you?
I'm doing good also. Just, fixing the last part of the car. I have to change this whole part.
Plenty of work.
Yeah, not that bad, but yes, a bit. Remove the brake pads. I'm also gonna replace the old bracket with the new one. There are two T50 bolts. Be careful, these tends to break if they are rusty. I did break one and you can see the footage from one of my previous videos. Unscrew the upper bolt. This is a bolt which was stripped. Here is a brand new bracket. Compare it with the old one and make sure you put the right part before installing it. Before unscrew the brake line from the brake caliper, I'm using special plastic pinch plier to squeeze down the rubber brake hose. That way there will be no spillage of brake fluid. I'm also using special type of wrench to unscrew the nut. They are called flare nut wrenches. Normal wrench tends to strip the nut. One mistake I have done that I should have unscrewed the brake line from the caliper while they were bolted on the brake bracket. It would be much easier to unscrew that. Anyhow, let's continue. Remove the parking brake from the caliper. Look at this caliper, totally wasted. It has seen better days. Let's open up the brand new caliper and compare it with the old one to make sure I'm putting the right part back in. Sometimes putting it back could be tricky. Just work around it and be careful not to cross thread. And remember, use proper factory torque specs for all the bolts and nuts. You can find them from the owner's manual. Install back the disc. Install back the bracket. Copper paste is recommended on these points since it will prevent squeaking noise. These are the points where brake pads are mounted and it tends to make the noise when it gets rusty. Copper paste helps stop rusting those points for a longer period of time. Next, we're gonna install the brake caliper. brake caliper is installed, and now we put back the handbrake cable. In the end, test both brake and the parking brakes if they are working properly. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.
Check the mic and make sure it sounds right, boys.